Hello, my name is Mada Sarwali, and today my topic is Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? I introduced the Bitcoin totally. Okay, a Bitcoin is BTC. The Bitcan, the real name is Bitcan, a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as a money. You mean to say a virtual currency designed to act as a money and form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, entity, and thus removing the need third party involvement in financial transaction. You mean to say the Bitcoin is international market in the world, and you can trade and earn profit. The market ups and down in the time of the money and time of the duration. For example, if the Bitcoin rate is down, you cannot invest the money in this situation. And first of all, you think about the who invest in this coin. Just like a doggy coin and BTC and Ethereum and one of most important is Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the top keyword and top uh, eventual working on the. So in Bitcoin we use the different method of BTC and BTC. Today I will check BTC rates. Okay, I show you the BTC rate today. Today BTC rate is okay. I will check. Please wait. Bitcoin Bitcoin price today. Just left the all, and today the Bitcoin price show in USD because the Bitcoin working in the USD. Bitcoin price USD today 23,187.70 USD. Okay, the Bitcoin working on the today market is showing the graph Bitcoin. Uh, okay, 12 a.m. the price of Bitcoin is and slowly ups and downs. 23 dash 23,250 is Bitcoin the working on it. Okay, in 10 a.m. the Bitcoin price touched the 23,278.70. Okay, 278. The difference between 187 and Bitcoin 10 a.m. 278. The biggest difference, and the market today 28% market, 12% today plus 28. Today market is Bitcoin. The situation of this Bitcoin is very nice, and we can invest in different Bitcoins coins. Oh, okay. I show you the some tragedy of Bitcoin. Just click on this working Bitcoin. Show the different stats. Okay, the trading view. In trading view, we check the Bitcoin stats in this situation. Okay, the Bitcoin stats in this situation we can check the easily Bitcoin marketing. This is Bitcoin index and breakout time. In breakout time, the streaming also in shares. You can check the different news and finally sync and cash rate preview. You can check the cash rate preview in this videos. and looking higher for longer family skins, sin skins trade off. Okay, this is the biggest man in the working finance. In Bitcoin, we check the different currency just like BTC. Okay, check the BTC rates today. Live stock index and future forex trading. Okay, show this trading market. I will show you the live Bitcoin show symbols and ideas, stocks, funds, features, forex, crypto, and we can select the crypto and check the Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, Tether, and USD dollars. Also check the Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, we check this and look first, then leave and join this free. Just show your Facebook and Google account connected to the directly. Okay, you just connected. Okay, show you the password. If you have password, show it in this form and write the password. But I don't know this Gmail and show another Gmail. Use another Gmail. Okay, use another Gmail. Just like UPA 764 at gmail.com. Okay, okay, password. Okay, I will show you the some graph in this video. Okay, check this stats. First of all, candles will be ups and down in this situation. Check the easily to BTC USDT and 23,158 rate today and 23,158.64. The volume will be checked in this coins. First of all, some important things: the Bitcoin in November 15, Wednesday 16 November 2022. Some of important things in this situation: the candle is very important. Up and down. The candle, the green candle showing the up line here. Yes, 18,023 309 in this candle, and suddenly the dawn red candle showing, and dawn this situation 16,591 stop, and now the candle is growing, candle is up, and candle is up, the green candle is up 17,000 and 10 Tuesday 10 January 2023 17,324 candle is up, The candle is making another candle 19,977 in Friday 13 January 2023. The candle is merge another candle make the profit 21,063.60 USD. In this situation, and candle make the biggest difference in this situation, in this area. Candle make a biggest via, okay, Friday 20 January 2023. In 2023, 21,000 start the candle, 21,063 start the candle, and finally 22,630.02, very biggest in this situation, very biggest difference. We can assume the in this day candle up and down and make a small candle and also make a candle line and candle 23,000 in this situation. Okay, this via of candle we can invest, and we ready to invest in this candle line, in this candle line, this candle line, this candle line. We can invest and earn profit. If we can invest in this candle line, we earn 5 to 6 thousand a day in this candle line. Okay, the candle is down 11 Feb, 12 Feb, and 14 Feb 2023. The candle price 21,074, 21,745.75, and candle line is up a biggest candle in this graph. How can we check the biggest difference and invest? Because we are confused in this situation, and up the biggest candle in this point, the biggest difference, the showing the live trading view, live situation. Nowadays the market is down, the line is draw, and market also will be down the next day. Today in this point we check the important point. Today I show you the important point in this situation, and you can invest the $5,000 to $6,000. But the market is down, you don't invest in this situation. I suggest you the candle line is green, the line is green. I suggest you the $3,000 invest, and the market will be up within 12 hours. The market will be up within 12 hours 24 23,185, and the market will be touch 24,000 USDT BTC rate. Okay, I show you the some another example. The candle line selected follow candles, uh, and we select the follow candles. In follow candles, check the via of this market. We draw the line graph is also showing the candle situation, market situation. Okay, check the area wise, because this area is very important, and this area is very important. I text here in this situation, not invest, because the market gap is too much important. Okay, I will show you the some example of this. We check on another point of the point and figure. We check the point and figure, and the point and figure is very important. Okay, the via is very cultural and show the some important point in this situation. Okay, okay, the next I will check the some important things. The line is very important. We can draw the line and not invest, because the market gap is too much important. Market gap in this situation is very important, and today the market is 23,139. Okay, done. And next indicator, we can check the indicators, technical points, and financially indicators, advanced tech lines. I some teach you indicator points in technical indicators. 24-hour volumes, check in 24-hour volume, apply this indicator, and indicators 24-hour volume will be showing the percentage of this trading view. And second indicator we use the most important indicators. First of all, I explain some important indicator. uh, Advanced decline line. Advanced decline line indicator is showing advanced decline line. In these lines, we can tally the red candles and green candles, and check the feasibility report. Green candle is here, difference count of red and green. and check the difference between green and red candles. Okay, this time consuming problem, but we check another indicator. Arrange day, average day range. This indicator is very important. Average day. This is average volume. Okay. Second is financial income statement, cost of goods, balance sheet, and cash flow system, and statics. Statics is very important. In statics, we check the market capitalizations, total common shares outstanding, and also check the float shares outstanding, number of employees, dividend per shares, dividend yields, dividend payout ratio, price to earning ratio, price to sale ratio, price to cash flow ratio. Also, we check the community subscripts. In community subscripts, we check the viewership, auto pitch, rank, trend scoping, top 10 trending. In this situation, we can check the trending field, and in trending, we check the machine learning, linearization classifications, liquidity savings 4014 points likes authors in these situations, and check the some important point. Okay, this indicator we can use in this situation. Technical indicators. In technical indicator, we use around average day range, 24-hour volume, and some after the indicators point, and second the strategies. In strategies, we check the barn of the strategies. In barn of strategies, more feasibility, more possibilities. We check more indicators, more trading possibilities, reveal hidden strengths and trading opportunity with up to 25 indicators per chart. Only on our upgrade plans right now, our plans has three indicator limits. Okay, three indicators limits. We remove not using the indicators. The one, two, three, four indicator using, and one day situation. This is one day situation of using the indicator. In future, the market is up and down. We check the easily 5 day indicator report, and the 5 day indicator report here, some graphs, and 1 month check the indicator trading viewpoints. The time will be changed. Time only 1 minutes, because 1 minute is very important in this graph. In 1 minute, we check the where we invest and when we invest the Bitcoin. We also discuss the Bitcoin, and our point is in the Bitcoin, and discuss about the Bitcoin because Bitcoin is good currency. And after the Bitcoin, I show you the some more important coins, just like the Doge coin and BSUSDT, and some important another coins. I will show you after that this situation. Okay, we check the 1 year situation. In 1 year, we assume and we calculate the important things. Okay, and these situations we up and down. The market is down and up. Just imagine the market is 40,000 touch. Okay, will be touching 40,000 in after 2 months. March and 15 March will be touching 40,000 because market gap is very important. Okay, I will show you some another example of. Okay, go to the coinmarketcap.com. In coinmarketcap.com, we check the trending 100 crypto coins by market capitalization. Top 100 in top 100 trending coins stem GMT. Pancake swap 0.59% up. This is small cap. Naxo 0.91%. Recently added Black Stallion 0.33. Ivesh Magic 0.0. Dogi Kaki 0.00012889. This crypto coins is new here and top trending keywords. And also check the Bitcoin BTC. Price is 23,179.47. 1 hour percentage is 0.21% is less than, and less than, and in 24 hours percentage is also will be increased 0.70 percentage. In 7 days also will be down 6.7117%. The market cap is here. We calculate the market cap. This is market cap and volume in 24 hours is here. Circulating supply is 19 and volume is 14 and market cap is 44. The biggest market cap volume 24 hours and circulating supplies. The market is in circle 19, the end of 19. Last 7 days the market is down because we cannot think about the we invest the Bitcoin because Bitcoin market is very down. Okay, second coin is Ethereum. I discuss about the Ethereum. Ethereum is very good coin and Ethereum 1598.43 the rate of Ethereum. Because Ethereum is also down 1 hours 0.23%. Okay, the next video will be defined on the Ethereums and I will show you the some important point of Ethereum because the Bitcoin is down and down and in 15 March the Bitcoin will be touch in 40,000 USDT. Hope this video is helpful for you and Bitcoin price today 23,187.70 here. Okay.